guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you don't already know me, I'm Emma, and today we're going to be upcycling my shirts. I mean, it's my brother's shirt, so if you have your shirt, you can try to use your shirt or your brother's shirt or your boyfriend's shirt or your husband's shirt or anybody's shirt. Just use a shirt because I'm working with a shirt. But first, let me show you how the shirt looks like. I like the pattern of the shirt, so I felt like this was the design I was going to go with it. So I sketched my own design. But let me show you the shirt. This is the shirt I'm going to be using, and the print is really pretty. And I'm also going to be sketching it on my dress form. So let me show you guys the design I created for this shirt. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to be stitching it down for you guys to see. I'm going to be putting it down here for you guys to see how it looks like, and I hope it's going to come out exactly like that because I've really envisioned it on this shirt. So yeah, let's get into it. To start, I'm going to be taking off the sleeves first. I'm going to be detaching the sleeves from the shirts. Now that I'm done taking apart my sleeves, I'm going to take apart the side seams on both sides. So now that I've taken off the sleeves, I'm going to be creating my princess darts before I get to the work. So first, we're creating our princess darts around this side. We want it to be like fitted on the dress form before I create my princess darts on it. So what I'm doing now is that I'm chalking out my halter neck on the shirt. Then I'm going into my princess darts next. We have something like this for the top. For our princess darts, we have something like this. So I'm going to do the same thing for this side, and then I'm going to work on the back. So for the back, so now I'm going to adjust everything. I'll be right back. I'm going to try to cut the other side with the pattern of my first side. So this is how the front looks like. You can see it's how the front looks like. This is our princess darts and this is the halter neck. And for the sides, this is how the side looks like. The princess darts, this is how it looks like. We're going to be joining it to this side. For the back pattern, I'm going to be creating a shear at the back from here to this side. So I don't want to be as long as the front pattern. So now I'm going to be adding them together. I'm going to sew and serge on this side, and then I'm going to do the other side of the princess darts. And now I'm going to be creating my bias to tape the halter neck and the back collar. So now I have already joined my bias tape on it. This is what I have. Already clean it out, and this is what I have. You can see the shape of the halter neck is already forming together. And this side, if you are wearing it and then it is too big, you can try to adjust it on this side. You can see what I tried to do. I adjusted it on this side. I folded it. I took a pleat inside. See, it is still stylish. Now it's like my size. It's a perfect size for me. If it is too big, you can try to adjust it at the neck side. Now you can see the front side. Now I'm going to be working on the back piece, which is our shear. I'm taking the measurements I want for my back piece, and then I'm going to be adding about 2 inches allowance for the up and the down to take it in. So I'm going to be starting from here, and I want my back piece to end around this side. I did notched it 11 inches. I'm going to be adding 2 more inches. I was making it 13 inches for the up and the down part. So I'm doing 13 inches. I'm going to be taking in the top. And now that I'm done with the back piece, I'm going to attach my front piece to it. And that is this one. It's my front piece. I'm going to attach it. I'm going to be attaching my back piece to it. Before then, I'm going to trim out the excess fabric on this. I want it to be fitted on me. I'm going to sew half an inch and serge. So now that I'm done with this, I'm going to be trimming off this side to make it, I'm going to give it this shape. I'm going to shape in the hem side. So now I'm going to hem this side. I'm going to hem them to this side. I'm going to hem the bottom. So now that I've taken the hem inside, I've taken my hem, I'm going to iron it, and I'm going to work in on my bow. My bow for the back of my top, I'm going to be using the sleeve of the shirt. It already has this shape. It has this shape already, so I'm just going to work with it and then sew along that line. Understand? I'm just going to sew along this line and then just tack it together. I'm going to tack this side together and then I'm going to pull it over, and that is it. So now that I'm done, I'm going to take this side in like twice. I'm going to take it twice. I'm going to sew it. So I've already attached the hand. I've attached the bow to the top, and you can see I tied my bow together. It's just like two belts, and I tied the bow to it to create this thing. And this is how it looks like, and we are done. And that is the end of this tutorial. My brother said I couldn't transform his shirts because the shirts was so ugly, and I proved him wrong. And you can see the shirt. It's really cute, and I love the outcome of it. I love everything about it. It's really cute, and I'm glad it came out the way I sketched it out. And I hope you guys try it out because I love this design and I created this design. And I hope you guys try it out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. for more fashion tips and everything fashion about me and my sewing and get with me and styling, everything fashion. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of those things about me. And to support a small creator like me, you can follow me on my social media at Emmaline Fadaini, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.